In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for advanced project management. We'll start from scratch and transform Airtable into a powerful tool for managing every aspect of your projects. Whether you're an individual, part of a team, or working within an agency, these instructions will guide you step by step to maximize Airtable's capabilities. First, let's create a new project management base. This is essentially the hub where all your project details will live. Name this base Advanced Project Management System. Think of it as the control center for everything you need to track, manage, and plan in your work. This base will allow you to build a system that's tailored specifically to your workflow. So take a moment to appreciate this step, which forms the foundation of all you're about to build. Once your base is ready, it's time to create the core tables. These tables will hold all the specific pieces of data you need. First, create a table called Projects. This will be the powerhouse where all your project-specific details go. Consider including fields for project names, deadlines, statuses, team members involved, and any other key metrics you need to keep an eye on. The goal here is to make sure that you can see and understand your project landscape at a glance. Next, it's useful to set up a clients table, especially if you're working within an agency or consulting team. This table will help you track client-specific information that's pertinent to your projects. Think about fields like client names, contact information, contracts, and project history. By having this data organized, you can improve communication and service delivery, acting as both a reference and a record. Now that your tables are in place, let's move on to creating advanced views. Views in Airtable allow you to slice your data in meaningful ways. For example, you can generate a Kanban board for task tracking or a calendar view to spotlight upcoming deadlines. These views help in making sense of the data by filtering, grouping, and sorting information so that you see exactly what you need. Play around with these settings to personalize how you visualize your projects for maximum efficiency and clarity. Finally, let's talk about creating Airtable interfaces. Interfaces are a dynamic way to present and interact with your data, as they allow the incorporation of forms, dashboards, and more within your base. The interface you create can serve different purposes, from enhancing collaboration within your team to simplifying client reporting. With interfaces, you can design exactly how you want data to be presented, providing a user-friendly experience for all involved stakeholders. And there you have it, a brief rundown on harnessing Airtable's capabilities for sophisticated project management. Experiment with these steps and tweak the system as your needs evolve. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find these tips useful as you go on to manage your projects more effectively.